All right, we're going to make this video incredibly quickly. It seems like on the channel, and I'm assuming other people's YouTube channels as well, we're getting a lot of spam bots promoting random cryptocurrencies, ones that are totally fake, non-existent, have no value. So be careful, guys. As you see, random XRP YouTube video that I did, and everything promoting a shit token that has no real value. What they're hoping is you'll see all this hype on the channel. I'm talking about Amazon bringing it in, Elon, Tesla, yada, 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 Binance, and it's all a lie. So in hopes that you look up this crypto and purchase it on whatever shit exchange or trade platform you use. All right, guys, I'm going to do my best to continue to keep these off the channel, but if you see other people with it, just ignore people. Imagine 90% of people online are trying to scam you. All right. With that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.